How to turn off LinkedIn email notifications. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, we'll learn how to stop receiving notifications email from LinkedIn. So many of us get numerous emails from LinkedIn every day, which can clutter our inboxes and become quite annoying. Fortunately, there is a simple way to stop these notifications. First of all, you have to start by opening the LinkedIn application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Then what you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen and then select Settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then tap on Notifications, that is below the advertising data option. Tap on it. Here you can manage the notifications for your LinkedIn account. For example, if you want to stop receiving the job-related email notifications, tap on the search for a job. Find the specific job email notification you want to turn off and toggle the switch next to the email. This will stop all the job alert email notifications, and keep in mind that you need to manually toggle off this switch for each notification type you wish to stop, or you can choose to turn off all the notifications in a specific category. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.